Audible, the audiobook platform owned by Amazon, offers an opportunity for content creators and publishers to earn money by producing and selling audiobooks. In this analysis, we will explore the various ways in which individuals and companies can make money with Audible. Creating audiobooks for Audible. The most direct way to make money with Audible is by creating audiobooks. Authors, publishers, and content creators can create and publish audiobooks on Audible, earning royalties on every sale. Audible offers a royalty rate of up to 40% for exclusive titles, which are available only on Audible, and 25% for non-exclusive titles, which can be sold on other platforms. To create an audiobook, you need to record an audio version of your book, either by hiring a professional narrator or recording it yourself. You will also need to edit the audio, add music or sound effects if necessary, and upload it to Audible. Audible has strict audio quality standards, so it is essential to ensure that your audio meets their requirements, narrating audiobooks for others. Another way to make money with Audible is by narrating audiobooks for others. If you have a good voice and enjoy reading, you can work as a freelance narrator and offer your services to authors and publishers. You can find audiobook narration jobs on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, or by contacting authors and publishers directly. The pay for audiobook narration varies depending on the length of the book and the experience of the narrator. On average, narrators can earn between $150 and $400 per finished hour of narration. This means that if you narrate a 10-hour audiobook, you can earn between $1,500 and $4,000. Creating audio courses for Audible. Audible also offers audio courses, which are educational programs that cover a specific topic or skill. These courses are similar to audiobooks but are structured as a series of lessons or lectures. Content creators can create and publish audio courses on Audible, earning royalties on every sale. Creating an audio course requires a different approach than creating an audiobook. You need to structure the content into lessons or lectures, and provide additional resources like worksheets or quizzes to help the listeners learn the material. Audible offers a royalty rate of up to 50% for exclusive audio courses, and 25% for non-exclusive courses. Creating original content for Audible. In addition to audiobooks and audio courses, Audible also produces original content, including podcasts, dramas, and serialized fiction. Audible originals are exclusive to Audible and are created by Audible's own team of producers and writers, or by partnering with content creators. To create original content for Audible, you need to have a unique idea that fits within Audible's programming goals. Audible is interested in content that is entertaining, informative, or educational, and that appeals to their audience of audiobook listeners. Audible offers upfront payments and royalties for original content, but the terms vary depending on the project. Affiliate marketing for Audible. Another way to make money with Audible is through affiliate marketing. If you have a website or a social media following, you can sign up for Audible's affiliate program and earn commissions on every sale made through your affiliate link. Audible's affiliate program offers a commission rate of up to 10% on every sale, and provides a range of marketing materials and tools to help affiliates promote Audible. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a strong following and be able to promote Audible effectively to your audience.